Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare.
कहाँ है वो दो प्रभु कहाँ है? जल्दी से बुला लो उनको जल्दी.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare. Jai Jai Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda. Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda. Jaya 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 Gora Bhakta Vrinda, Gora Bhakta Vrinda, Gora Bhakta Vrinda, Gora Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
अरे जब ट्राई करो परकम्मा आइए परकम्मा दे.
Hare Krishna. So just a few words before we get started. Our rickshaws are all lined up here, as you can see from here all the way to the end, starting from number 1. Those who are wearing the shoes or sandals or whatever we call them here, you select your rickshaws in a group of, if you're comfortable with 4, that's fine. If not, 5 is also okay. One devotee Prabhu can sit in the front and 4 can sit at the back. But choose your number and leave your shoes there. Because from here we're going to walk straight into Radhakrishna. We don't need the rickshaws because beyond that point the rickshaws are not allowed anyway. And then when we do the Radhakrishna Parikrama and come back, we will be back here and then you'll be boarding your rickshaw and we'll be going this way towards Dangati. So go, now when you proceed, just select the rickshaw starting from number 1. Rickshaw number 30 is for audio visual teams who have their stuff. Rickshaw number 30, you've already given the 2. Number 2. 32. Okay, so you need 2. Okay, so 29 and 30 will be for the audio visual team. Number 31 is for Guru Maharaj and Guru Ma. Number 32, we're going to use it for, I think, berries and the chairs. So we are left with 1 to 28. Once again, like yesterday, we're going to have rickshaw number 1 to 10 with Pankaj Prabhu. Pankaj Prabhu, you're here? So anyone who sits in rickshaw number 1 to 10, if you have any queries, you're not sure where you are, Lokal Bin Prabhu has also shared a map on our group which tells you our stops and everything, so you can also have a look at that. But hopefully Pankaj Prabhu will be able to communicate with me and we can tell you where exactly we are if you get left behind or running a little bit late. And then rickshaw number 11 to 20. So what did we go yesterday, 11 to 20? Okay. After Madhav Prabhu will be taking care of the rickshaw number 11 to 20. And then rickshaw number 21 to 28. If you have to go again, the record also to be here. You have rickshaw number 21 to 28. Yeah. And once you get any other information, how the interview also going to say that you do on very so you can also with Gurumaya, so you can also approach the interview. And I'm there for your service too. So that's what we will be doing. So now I'll give you all 5 minutes to identify your lecturer in a group of 5. If you can make the group right here, that would really help. Or 4 or 5 devotees. Then you can go to that rickshaw, leave your seat. Now, if you can't leave your seat, right, just 1 moment, please, just 3 more minutes. Can you all hear me? Right, can you all hear me? Okay. So just one last thing. If you cannot leave your seat because it's very cold, it's understandable, but just be ready that it will be a little bit challenging because in some temples you can enter from one side and exit from the other side, especially at Radhakund. So if you can bear the cold, then best is to leave the shoes in the rickshaw. Because in many places, many temples will be running from one place to another to calculate the Krishna actually. So hopefully the sun will be out and the weather will be a little bit better. Today, so based on that, we can reach that. Yeah. So once you know what's your rickshaw number, don't change the rickshaw number. Stick with that rickshaw number throughout your Govardhan Parikrama today. No, it doesn't have to be solid. So please make a group of 5 while we are waiting for Guru Maharaj, but don't move your Nandi Maharaj is here. And then we will go towards the rickshaw and identify and leave us to there. You are not going on the rickshaw, you just have to leave your seat for now. Everybody, if you could just stay here for a few minutes. Yadasya virajito giripate sevam bhavetinataham Yesu Bhapa, Yesu Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Yesu Panchatattva. If you so desire, please empower us to enter into this most sacred place with a humble heart, and please bestow upon us your infinite mercy. Let us take the mood of Shri Radhakund and Shyamakund into our hearts, so that we may attain the ultimate goal of life. Thank you for considering our request. Don't touch that. Everyone, even for despair, in whole or in part, please unmute and say Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna! Shri Radhakund Shyamakund ki Jai! Go Premanande. So devotees, please identify your rickshaw, leave your slippers, pay your obeisances, and we're going to start the parikrama. Thank you very much. Number 1 starts all the way from that side.
दिव्यराम प्रभु इधर 27 तक है बस इधर 27 तक है बाकी कहाँ है आउटपुट गेम क्या है नहीं ये टुक का सामने ऐसे मतलब ऐसे स्पाइक हो रहा है स्पाइक तो इसलिए हो रहा है जैसे टच में टच हो गया साउंड आ रहा है स्टैटिक
Okay. Oh no.
29 and 30.
This is wrong, Baba.
just find it.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
दौड़ो
महाराज ने डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करे.
जाओ भागो
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Any hands to move? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
shoot from the front. Manish is there, I'll find you. Go.
Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe.
Everybody please stay back here. Maharaj is just coming back into. He's just going washroom.
ले लो अपने थाली ले लो पूजा का ले लो
Nihati Gokulapati Premamrita Ladana Aristya Vidadito
पानी में पैर न डालें और जल्दी पकड़ के ही स्नान करें।
Nija Pavito Hare Priyataya
यात्रियों को निवेदन किया जाता है आप अपने सामान की स्वयं देखभाल करें। तीर्थ स्थल पर एकत्र सामान उठाने वाले उठाईवीरों का विशेष जोर रहता है। आपसे निवेदन करते हैं अपने सामान की स्वयं सुरक्षा करें। छोटा सामान मोबाइल यहाँ से बंदर भी उठा के ले जाते हैं, इसलिए आपसे पुनः निवेदन करते हैं अपने सामान का ध्यान रखें। आपके सामान की चोरी होने पर यहाँ का पंडा पुरोहित समाज जिम्मेदार नहीं होगा। यह सीट आपका है, आपका गुण है, आपका गुण है। आपसे निवेदन करते हैं हम सफाई बनाए रखें, खाने की वस्तुएं इधर उधर न फेंकें, इस्तेमाल करने के बाद उसको घाटों पर न पटकें। उन्हें इस यात्रियों से निवेदन है कुंड के घाटों पर सफाई बनाए रखें। कोई भी वस्तु इस्तेमाल करने के बाद कुंड के घाटों पर न पटकें, गंदगी न फैलाएं। यह आपका अपना तीर्थ है, सफाई बनाए रखें। धन्यवाद।
No Bluetooth, right? No Bluetooth. To get can we increase the volume, please?
Page 117. Vrindaranyam Swapadanam Abhishekti Savakatamritam Satta Jivanam Kaviviridam Kalmasapaham Shravanamangalam Srimadatattam Udikunatiye Krishna Kirtana Jana Nartana Kala Tato Jani Rajita Sadbhakta Varihamsa Chakra Madhupa Shreni Viharaspadaam Karnanandikaladvanirvahatume Jiva Manuprangane Shri Chaitanya Dayanide Kavalasa Leela Sudha Swadhuni Elo Turmita Telaya Vishadaya Samyak Chakra Vivalaya Rasadaya Chitta Magaya Bhakti Vinodaya Samadaya Madhurya Maya Daya Shri Chaitanya Dayani Dhavadaya Uyanamando Daya Yatomara Rasari Mahivara Taema Chaitya Shapa Ekam Milita Bharati Surabaya Prabhakatammanila Sachay Vasmika Tapika Prasurata
भगवान मैया सखी कीर्तने स्मरणे तरंगी भजने लक्ष्मी पितृपूजने आतुरस्तविवन्दने कपिपति दास्ये प्रसाद्ये जुना सर्वस्वात्मनिवेदने बलिरभू कृष्णा शंकरा आराध्यो भगवान् रघेशतनया तद्धाम वृन्दावनम् राम्या काशीदुपासना व्रजवधू वर्गेण या कल्पिता श्रीमद्भागवतं प्रमाणममलम् प्रेमापुनातो श्रीचैतन्य महाप्रभो मठविदाम् तत्रादराना परा नानानां वचनेर्विनं नरवरा श्रीणां स्मरो मूर्तिमान् गोपानां सजना सतां शिखिभुजा शास्ता स्वमित्रो शिशु मृत्युर्भोजपते विराजविदुषा तत्त्वं परं योगिनाम् कृष्णीनां परदेवते विदितो तं गता साग्रता दैवालयं नयकायते त्रिदशभू आकाशपुष्पायते दुर्दान्तेन्द्रियकालसर्पपतली रोक्ताकृतं श्रायते विश्वं पूर्णसुखायते विनिमहे राजिष्ठकीतायते कारुण्यकटाक्षभैभववदा तं गौरमेवास्तु कारुण्यकटाक्षभैभववदा तं
हर समय काई की वजह से फिसलन बनी रहती है। आपके अंदर फिसलने का डर है। आपसे निवेदन करते हैं हम कि आप इस चीज का विशेष ध्यान रखते हुए कुंड के पानी में पैर न डालें और
as you enter the forest of Nirvana, uniformly the marks of its footprints. He filled the holes of his flute with the nectar of his lips, and the cowherd voice sang his glory. The nectar of your words and the descriptions of your activities are the life and soul of those suffering in this material world. These narrations, transmitted by learned sages, eradicate one's sinful reactions and bestow good fortune upon whoever hears them. These narrations are broadcast all over the world and are filled with spiritual power. The lotus flowers of singing, dancing, and loud chanting of Krishna's holy name, which are the pleasure abodes of unalloyed devotees. These devotees are compared to swans, ducks, and bees. The rivers flowing produces a melodious sound that gladdens their ears. O ocean of mercy, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, let there be an awakening of your auspicious mercy.
which easily drives away all kinds of material lamentation by making everything pure and blissful. Indeed, your mercy awakens transcendental bliss and covers all material pleasures by your auspicious mercy. Quarrels and disagreements arising among different scriptures are vanquished. Your auspicious mercy pours forth transcendental mellows and thus causes the heart to jubilate. Your mercy, which is full of joy, always stimulates devotional service and glorifies conjugal love of God. May transcendental bliss be awakened within my heart by your causeless mercy. That very personality who stole away my heart during my youth is now again my master. These are the same moonlit nights of the month of Chaitra. The same fragrance of malati flowers is there, and the same sweet breezes are blowing from the Kadamba forest. In our intimate relationship, I am also the same lover, yet still my mind is not happy here. I am eager to go back to that place on the bank of the Reva, under the Vatasi tree. That is my desire. Maharaj Parikshit attained the highest perfection, shelter Krishna's lotus feet, simply by hearing about Lord Vishnu. Shukadeva Goswami attained perfection simply by recitation of Srimad Bhagavatam. Prahlad Maharaj attained perfection by remembering the Lord. The goddess of fortune attained perfection by massaging the legs of Mahavishnu. Pitu attained perfection by worshipping the deity, and Akura attained perfection by offering prayers unto the Lord. Rajangaji, Hanuman, attained perfection by rendering service to Lord Ramchandra, and Arjuna attained perfection simply by being Krishna's friend. Bali Maharaj attained perfection by dedicating everything to the lotus feet of Krishna. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, the Son, Ananda Maharaj, is to be worshipped along with his transcendental abode, Vrindavan. The most pleasing form of worship for the Lord, that which performed by the gopis of Vrindavan. Srimad Bhagavatam is the spotless authority on everything, and pure love of God is the ultimate goal of life for all men. These statements, for which we have the highest regard, are the opinion of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Various groups of people in the arena regarded Krishna in different ways when he entered it with his elder brother. The wrestlers saw Krishna as a lightning bolt, the men of Mathura as the best of males, the women as Cupid in person, the coward men as their relative, the impious rulers as a chastiser, his parents as their child, the king of the Bhojas as death, the unintelligent as the Supreme Lord's universal form, the yogis as the absolute truth, and the Vishnus as their supreme worshipable deity. For a devotee, the pleasure of merging into the existence of Brahman is considered hellish. Similarly, he considers promotion to heavenly planets just another kind of phantasmagoria. The yogis meditate for sense control, but for the devotee, the senses appear like serpents with broken teeth. The whole material world appears joyful for a devotee, and even great personalities like Lord Brahma and Lord Indra are considered no better than insects. Such is the position of a devotee who has received but a small glance of the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and to this most magnanimous personality I offer my respectful obeisances. Samsaradavam Nagaridalutam Vande Guroshi Charanaravinda Namaste Sarvanyana Gunavasya Vande Guroshi Charanaravinda Mahaprabhu Kirtana Nritya Gita Parikramaja Manasura-sena
Mahaprabhu Kirtana Nritya Gita Parikramaja Manasura-sena
Romanchakam Pashitarangabhajo Vande Guroshi
Romanchakam Pashitarangabhajo Vande Guroshi Charanarvindam
Vadana Bhuttam Hari Bhakti Sanya
Sadhurvikashi Bhagavat Prasadam Vadana Bhuttam Hari Bhakti Sanya
Vidvaiva Sutyam Bhajanam Sadaiva
Vidvaiva Sutyam Bhajanam Vande Guroshi Charanarvindam Shri Radhika Madhurya Madhurya Leela Gunarupalana Prakshana Swadanarupasya Vande Guroshi Charanarvindam Nikunjayo no Ravivedisita Yaya Viviyo Vivayaniya Gata Vivasha Vivalabhasya Vande Guroshi Charanarvindam Sakshakari Priya Samasta Shastre Yuktasya Prabha Vilayva Sadi Hindu Prabhoya Priyaiva Tasya Vande Guroshi Charanarvindam Yasya Prasada Bhagavat Prasado Yasya Prasada Nagari Utopi Nayan Suvam Tasya Yashasti Sandhya Vande Guroshi Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine.
Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Ashakya Vishatarine.
Nityananda.
Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasari Gaura Bhaktavrinda.
Everyone touch each other, please.
Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasari Gaura Bhaktavrinda.
कृष्ण प्रिया माधवी गुण गुरु राधा रानी समर्पयामि नमो नमः।
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare.
पुष्पानी श्रीमती राधा रानी I am giving small Pushpanjali in your lotus feet. Hey Radha Rani, please give me Guru Bhakti, Govinda Bhakti, Prema Bhakti, Radha Kundo, Shyama Kundo, Govardhan, Pushpanjali, Namo Namaha. Krishna Krishna विराज महाराज की विराज महाराज की राधा रानी कृपा हमारा
कृष्णाय नमो नमः। रामकुंडा राधा कुंडा गिरि गोवर्धना करो विभूषण राधा रानी राधे
जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे
रामाकुंडा राधा कुंडा विराट गोवर्धन जन्मा गोविंद कृपा अमुख नामा में अच्युतानंद गोत्रा श्री राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड परिवार योर फैमिली डिवोशन राधा कुंडा श्याम कुंडा वासी सेवा हम वासी सेवा ओम नमः नमो ब्रह्मदेवाय गौतमताय
गोविंदाय नमो नमः
वासुदेवाय नमो नमः बोलो राधा रानी की राधा रानी नो डिफरेंस श्रीमती राधिका director of devotion all of you better only one place all of you involved Bank of Radha how you lucky you don't know you are now here just close to eyes say Radha Rani you come again and again Hare
तेरा फोन बज रहा मुझे लग रहा अंदर मुझे वाइब्रेशन आ रहा है महाराज बोलो महाराज
स्मॉल है लेकिन सेवा ब्राह्मण